We are presenting the unboxing of new Lenovo a6000 Plus. We have this box. You can see the box. In the box we have a phone. Then under this we have these user manuals and warranty cards. Battery. In the accessories we have a data cable, earphones and charger. When we start the phone, brand new Lenovo a6000 Plus, this looks quite similar to Lenovo a6000. Actually it is really very similar. Okay, so in this phone we have a upgraded specification, which is now the internal memory of phone is 16 GB, where it is 8 GB in Lenovo a6000, and the RAM is 2 GB, where the RAM is 1 GB in Lenovo a6000. When we start this phone, starting, it takes a lot of time to start. Okay, so now we check the camera quality of phone. Camera, you can see that the camera quality is quite really very nice. When we look when you look at the photo, you can see that zooming is quite very good. And now when we talk about the front camera, then because of increase in RAM, it has a quite good speed, and that it has some preloaded applications like you can see here that UC browser, Truecaller and navigator is come with. And then when we talk about the video gallery, here this is the gallery, and we talk about the video quality, where the hell is video, we talk about the that locking, that it is really very nice, you can see there. And this we have two speakers in the back, which gives Dolby digital sound, surround sound we can say in white. So this is the unboxing of Lenovo a6000 Plus, and thank you for watching this video.